Hey everyone, want to give your Canva design a fresh new look? Changing the background color is one of the quickest ways to transform the style and mood of any project, whether it's a presentation, social media post, flyer, or YouTube thumbnail. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the background color in Canva step by step. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Canva account and open the design you want to edit. You can start with an existing project or create a new design if you're beginning from scratch. Next, click on an empty area of the canvas to select the background. If your design supports background editing, you'll see the background color controls appear in the toolbar at the top. Now click the background color option to open the color picker. You can choose from Canva's suggested colors, your brand colors, recently used colors, or enter a specific color code if you already know the exact shade you want. Yeah, this makes it easy to match your branding. Once you select a color, Canva applies it immediately to your design. Try a few different colors until you find one that works well with your text, images, and overall layout. After changing the background, review the rest of your design. You may want to update the text color, icons, or graphics to improve contrast and make everything easier to read. When you're happy with the new look, click Share, then choose Download to save your updated design. You can also share it directly with others if your project is ready. And that's how to change the background color in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can completely change the look of your design and make it better match your style or brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.